Hello everyone!
Ciao picciotte e picciotti!
How are you guys? Happy Sunday from Sicily.
Well, this is stories of proud Sicilian around the world, but we missed our guest tonight.
So Peter Figuccio, where are you now? I presume our guest has some technical issues, so he can connect. In the meantime, we can talk about Sicily or our story, Rosella.
Yes, because we are two proud Sicilian as well.
Sicilians, not around the world, but right in Sicily. So we can talk about our story, our personal story, and of course, we can answer your questions about Sicily, about our beloved island.
And also, this could be an open live broadcast. So I'm going to share the link to join us in the comment. And so if you want to come live, just follow the link and you will be our guest tonight.
You're welcome, guys. So please join us. So in the meantime, we can show the beautiful Sicilian night behind us. The Gulf of Carini is a little bit dark, but as you can see, a lot of people are now moving to enjoy this area. We are close to Palermo. Many people have a second house, a summertime house in this area, so they are enjoying the summertime. And you can see the valley is full of lights right now. So Rosella,
let's talk about us in the meantime.
if you want. This is an unusual question. Many people ask about our personal story, how we started our adventure. So it's about the 8th year of business.
Yes.
Please stop the.
Yes, I need to share. So you can go on, and I need to share this live broadcast.
If you're hearing some noise, that's Rosella. She's sharing the broadcast. So guys, I would like to say that everything started on 2013. So this is the 8th year of our activity, our business. And where are you, Rosella? What are you doing? Come with me.
Come here.
Don't leave me alone.
So 8 years that I share my time with you?
No, actually, it's this is the 9th year because I met Rosella 1 year before. So we were.
Long time, Gianca.
I was a very lucky boy. I was alone. Then I met Rosella, and my life changed in a
better way.
I don't want to say.
In a better way.
Rosella is saying. I'm not saying it. So we were out of the joke. We were both passionate about Sicily.
Yeah.
She was. What did you do before? Starting this adventure.
I'm at conferences, as you know.
She was a conference organizer.
Yeah, a project leader, an event planner for a big company.
And you still do it.
Yes, I still do, but for our company now.
She never lost the opportunity to organize conferences. So it's not our core business because we manage the 90%. We do private tours of Sicily, but we also make we also plan some conferences all around Sicily. So
also corporate events,
for,
trips
for corporate clients. So we met each other in 2012.
Yeah.
This is the date that Maya said it's the end of the world, and it was the starting point of our adventure. So guys, while Sicily is rich in natural and artistic treasure, while Sicily is so beautiful, so rich, it offers few job opportunities, and so a lot of people, as you know, have to emigrate. And we decided to start investing in ourselves, right, Rosella?
Yes.
I'm right. and promoting the best of Sicily, our beloved island, to everyone in the world. And after some years, we can say that our courage, our perseverance have allowed to go on and keep living in the place we love. So,
and we are very happy about this, because we know that a lot of people, such as your ancestors, had to emigrate.
Such as our friends. We have many friends who now live in North Italy, in Germany, in England, in London, because Sicily is so poor in terms of job opportunities. So we are so proud to have started something beautiful, an opportunity for Sicily to be known everywhere. And thank you for following us. Thank you for your love, because you guys, you give us the I don't know, you feed our passion for our work. I don't know if it's correct, but I would say you re-energize our soul. So you give us the opportunity to go ahead, go straight to our mission. And now
we can say that our dream
has been now our dream come true. So
thanks to you.
Each trip to Sicily represents an exciting new challenge for us, but also it proves that courage, intent, passion can turn dreams into reality. So
and I want to say that our enthusiasm has remained the same since the day we started this adventure.
Yeah.
And I can say also that it inspires us to make your experience an amazing trip full of memorable experiences.
Memorable moments. Yeah. You're right, Rosella. It's I agree with you. And what else? What's our focus? If someone who don't know us ask you, what's your focus? What's your feature?
First of all, I can say that we would like to fully immerse you into our culture.
Yeah.
And it means live, eat, and do the things that Sicilian people do.
Yeah. I would say that as we welcome our clients' requests, we realize what people really want, because at the beginning, in the starting point of our adventure, we were in a no man land, because we were a little bit confused. Now we have a specific identity. We We want to give you a memorable experience to absorb the authentic Sicilian atmosphere. This is our DNA. So we are proud Sicilian travel consultants. We are a tour company. We own a tour company, and we want to discover the best of what Sicily has to offer. And from the point of view of true Sicilians, this is the most important thing, because everybody, each travel agency in Italy can give you a tour of Sicily, but the most important thing is that you can enjoy Sicily from the point of view of true Sicilians.
This is our personal touch.
Yeah. And we are so proud because based on our past experiences with Americans, Australians, Canadians, guys, you constitute our reference market, our focus main market. So we had this, we are so lucky to meet people like you, and we decided to launch our new website. I want to open some brackets. So our company is named Ramcheck Consulting, but our new website takes name from this community. So best things to do in Sicily is also the name of our new website, and it's dedicated only to you. So Americans, Canadians, and Australian people, of course, also European people. But I have to say that nobody can see our website, our new website in Italy, because it's dedicated only to you. So only in English. It's impossible to visit our website here in Italy. So.
And now I want to say that this is a beautiful community of Sicily lovers, and we are growing every day.
And we reach an important target. Guys, you are 13,000 followers. It's incredible. So we didn't know when we started this adventure how quick was this grow, because we started the best things to do in Sicily 2 years ago.
Yeah.
So we started, we made our first live broadcast about 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And now we reached an very important target. So
and Gianca was very shy.
I was very I didn't believe it. So Mr. Zuckerberg, I have nothing against you, but I was not confident about Facebook. When Rosella told me the first time, Gianca, we had to go live, we had to make some live broadcast, I said, no, Rosella, you're crazy. I will never do it. So I'm so shy. I'm so on my own. So it's nothing for me.
And now you are the first one. Rosella, come on, go live.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's she's right. So it's it was a starting point. Now we are so proud to have created a beautiful community. We have created, I can say, a new travel concept.
Yeah.
A new kind of travel, concept focused on human relationship
and also emotional connection.
Yeah, connections, because the connections, in my opinion, in Rosella's opinion, is the most important thing in our life, and we have the evidence right now in this period, in this crazy period of lockdown. Yeah, it's a monster. It's a monster too. Just like Loch Ness, the monster from the lake in Scotland. But we hope to overcome this monster to be able to
host you again, to hug you,
hug each other, and meet you again in person, because it's connections are also valid by Facebook, by YouTube, but it's not the same, guys. When we are able to meet you in person, it's beautiful. So
this is the thing that I most miss. Meet our clients, spend great time with them, and sometimes Gianca and I could experience some sad days. Because we lost everything. And so it's not easy for us to smile every day. But we want to stay positive. We want to stay to be strong, because we know that everything will be okay, and we want to see the light under
at the end of the tunnel.
Yes, so
everything will be all right, guys, and
so you can have the opportunity to visit the homeland of your ancestors. But in the meantime, follow this page, and so you can maintain the connection with your homeland alive and strong.
And stay tuned, because in the next weeks
we have some surprises, we can say.
You will be involved in something particular. So this is the last episode of the stories of proud Sicilians around the world. For I presume for this season. You never know, guys, in the future. But in the next weeks, we will go again all around Sicily in person. We have at least two different projects.
Three.
We want to exaggerate.
Yes.
3 projects.
This is the true, Gianca. 3 projects.
3 projects. Now everything is covered by mystery. We can't say anything. We are working very hard, and so you will be involved very soon in these new projects. Of course, they regard Sicily, the best of Sicily. So as usual, you will be the guest star. And
in the meantime, please think about your trip to Sicily, and let's plan.
You're right.
You have 2 possibilities. You can join our Sicily Lovers Tour next year from 10 to 20 June or 2021, sure.
Everything will be over.
Yes, because we will kill the virus. Of course.
Everything will be over, guys.
Yes.
So everything is right over right now, but of course we have to respect the European laws, and it's very sad that in this moment we can't host you, because the European community doesn't allow you to enter our country. But we presume in September everything will be okay. So right in September 2020 we will be ready to host you. In the
2021.
2020. September 2020 we will be ready to organize, to plan a private tour of Sicily. Of course, Rosella was talking about our next group tour of Sicily in June 2021. This is a different kind of tour. That is a group tour, a small group tour.
But you will enjoy yourself to the fullest.
Of course, there are no differences. The features are the same, because we are talking about the best places to visit. We are talking about the best food from the most traditional culinary tradition. Great opportunities to meet local producers, to have wine tastings, cookery lessons,
high quality accommodations,
ideally located in the best, near the best places to visit, and in the best places to stay in Sicily, because you know, guys, it's important, it's so strategic to choose the perfect location where to stay. When you come back from the day trip with us, you can relax, you can enjoy shopping, you can stroll on your own. So it's so important.
And of course, Gianca and I will be with you all the time.
So great leisure time, the possibility to meet Rosella if you want.
Not you, Gianca, calling me.
I will be with you, of course, but I know that many people look forward to meeting Rosella, so I'm not jealous.
But if you don't want to join a small group tour, we can plan a private tour, a custom private tour, according to your needs and passions.
And this is all year round, so whenever you want, whenever you want to visit Sicily, you can just purchase your tickets, buy your airfare tickets, and we will manage, we will plan all the rest for you. So no stress, peace of mind. We will do everything.
Let me check. Is someone who want to join us?
Yeah. Where is the? Okay.
Okay. Tom.
Did I say that I am in the balcony now?
Ciao, Tom.
It's a beautiful.
Do you want to join our live broadcast right now? I want to share again the link. Don't be shy. So I'm right in the comments the link, and you can join us. So Jackie, Tom, come live with us. We want to know you. Tom, I'm talking to you. Come live. Follow the link and come live with us.
Do you mean Tom McLean?
Yes.
Tom, she's talking to you.
He's one of the most active fan, and so we want you. Let me say hello to Vincent, Jackie, Alisa.
Ciao, Alisa.
Mary, Vincent, Mona. Mona, do you want to come live with us? Gianni, Vince
Calcagno. There are many Vincent tonight. Susan Lemos, Philip.
Oh, this is a question for us. Have you ever been to America, Rosella? Gianca is a lucky man to have you. You are gorgeous. Thank you, Philip. Yes, we have been to the States 9 years ago. And
it was our test, guys.
Yes, we hope to.
It was our test. Do you remember?
Yeah.
We met each other a few months before we went to the United States, and it was a beautiful trip for us. We made the test, so it was the opportunity to know each other, to spend a lot of time together, and we had a beautiful vacation. We went to we visited all the best nature parks in the United States, from Utah, Arizona, Nevada, California, It was a very, very beautiful tour. I remember Grand Canyon, of course, Zion, Bryce, Arches, Joshua Tree,
Grand Canyon.
I said.
Ah, sorry.
Monument Valley,
yes.
Antelope, Horseshoe Bend. We went to what else? What else? Then we, of course, we visited San Francisco, San Diego, Las Vegas. We went to what? We went to Baja California, Mexico, but it's another story. Then she went to Oregon, to Portland.
Yes, and also to San Francisco.
I said.
Oh, sorry. I'm looking at Tom. Tom is live.
Ciao, Tom.
So,
share the screen.
Yes. Maybe now it's better.
Say something about your family story, the origin of your ancestors.
Yeah, so basically, like I was saying, I was adopted and I found my biological mother, and that's how I found out I was Sicilian and Napolitan, and my Sicilian roots are from Enna. So last September, I went to Sicily for the first time and went to Enna, which was one of the most emotional trips ever, and it was an amazing 16-day trip all over Sicily. We got to see so much. So it really affected me, and it showed me what Sicilian pride was all about. And now I just live it and breathe it and love it. So I can't wait to get back to Sicily.
Tom, you give me the opportunity to talk about Enna I think for the first time. Enna is a beautiful small town. It's about 3,000 feet above sea level. And many people who don't know Sicily think about Sicily as a flatland, that we are an island, we have only beautiful beaches, we have only a beautiful coastline, but we have no mountains. So Sicily boasts the highest active volcano in Europe, about 10,000 feet. And Enna, so the hometown where Tom's ancestor came from, Enna is the highest province of Italy above sea level. So Enna is not, we are not talking about Milan or Berlin. So Enna is in Sicily and is higher than many other Italian towns. So the most important capital of province in Italy, about 3,000 feet above sea level. And it's so beautiful. They have a beautiful castle. They are so famous now because they created a new university. Very important. A lot of people go to Enna to study. So very nice town. We have to go there.
Yeah.
In the next week, we have to visit Enna and let you discover your hometown again. If you know Enna, but for those who don't know Enna, it's the opportunity to explore this beautiful village.
We need to visit a lot of towns, Gianca.
Yeah.
We need another
life.
The projects. This is a surprise.
This
is a surprise, so don't say anything.
No.
So, Tom, what are you doing in Los Angeles?
We're pretty much going back on lockdown because everything has been getting a little bit worse. So we're pretty much still stuck inside, and so we just have to keep ourselves busy from not going crazy and just go walking every day to clear the mind. Otherwise, do some crafting stuff and do a lot of cooking, and cooking your mom's caponata. That was awesome. Awesome, so good.
Are you a fan from our cookery lessons?
So do you cook Sicilian?
What's your favorite Sicilian dish?
Pasta con sarde.
Wow,
Wow.
pasta chi sarde.
When
A
it's
great
good,
combination.
it's the best.
Yeah.
Tom, what did it mean for you to grow up in a Sicilian family?
Well, I grew up in an Italian family because I had been adopted, but my nonna was from Genoa. My mother is from Genoa. You know, my mother is who raised me. So, you know, it was a very structured Italian family. Uh, Sunday sauce dinner every week. I was taught family comes first. You don't squeal on family. I was taught all the traditional Italian customs of how you're supposed to be with family. And so when I found my biological family and the Sicilian family, it was just so easy to kind of move right into it because that's how I was raised from the beginning and grew up in New Jersey and then eventually made our way out here in California.
Are you keeping Sicilian culture alive in somehow?
Absolutely. I like to cook constantly Sicilian food, and I like to give that to my friends, cook for my parents all the time whenever I get the chance. And, you know, I love to bake. I make cucinate from scratch. I can make all the cookies and biscotti. So it really made a big impression. So I just really dove in head first, and it's just been wonderful meeting great Sicilian friends as well.
Do you know other Sicilians in the place where you live, in the district where you stay, where you live?
Right in this area, there have been times where I'm wearing my Sicilian shirt and people will stop and say, I'm Sicilian. And we start talking and I tell them about our trip and the experiences. And it's actually really cool. So yeah, I meet them around here, but there's no particular area that would be a destination for Sicilians.
So you are one of the proud Sicilians around the world, we can say it. Well done.
Absolutely, without a doubt.
You're doing a great job.
You keep Sicily in your heart.
Absolutely. I got it in the heart. Hold on. Let me. There's the tattoo.
Wow.
Bravo,
Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Who more than you are Sicilian?
Yeah. Just let everyone know it.
The beautiful lady is always with you.
Absolutely.
Like your shadow. She
Yep.
follows you every time.
Absolutely. Yep. The pride is always there, right on the cap. So it's all good.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
And do you speak Sicilian dialect?
I'm sorry? Oh.
Can you hear us?
Oh, yeah. What was that?
Do you speak Sicilian dialect?
No, I do not. One gentleman I've become very good friends with through one of the groups, the Sicilian groups. We've been chatting back and forth. He's been helping me with Italian, and I've also been doing some other stuff learning Italian, but he also throws in the Sicilian. But trying to learn both is not that easy, but I try. It's fun.
That works.
Stay tuned, Tom, because in the next week we will do something for you and to all
that's
people
awesome.
who want to learn, want to know more about Sicilian language. I will say
Yes.
Sicilian language, not dialect.
Language.
Be careful what you say.
Yes, you are right, Gianca.
Sicilian
Yep.
is more than a dialect.
Exactly. I have the beginner Sicilian book. I've got the Italian, so I just kind of go through that like I did when I was in school learning Spanish. So I just do that now and learn the Italian and try and get a little Sicilian.
Tom reminds me another important Sicilian who is so famous, so popular.
Who?
You know Frank Zappa?
Very much so. I hear that a
Only
lot.
the hair is different. The hair are different, but the face is very, very similar. Frank
Yes, I
Zappa
hear.
from Partinico. His father, his dad was from Partinico,
Yeah.
and he went
He
to
was
California too.
Yes, he did. He was amazing. What a fantastic musician and artist. He was fantastic. I grew
Yeah,
up with that. So,
yeah.
yeah, definitely appreciate that for sure.
That's the Sicilian DNA.
Yeah, absolutely.
We only export the best.
Yeah, I won't argue that. At least I've got a good Italian market close to me that imports a lot of stuff from Sicily. So I'm lucky on
Yeah,
that. At least I can get
yeah.
some good quality ingredients.
So,
Have you
White Feather Curtis. Yeah, Frank Zappa. No, please
Yeah,
don't.
here?
Oh, we saw him live in New York City. Yeah. Frank Zappa is a legend, guys. He's a legend.
absolutely. Very much so. He really
And we are
is.
so proud that he was Sicilian. Sicilian
Yep,
in the air, in the art.
Yeah.
exactly. Yep,
Tom, when did you
exactly.
start following us?
Oh gosh, I've been following you guys for quite a while now. It's been a good number of months, and I just watched the first one that I saw, and then the next couple ones, and you guys had me hooked. It was just great watching, how you guys handled everything through, the lockdown there, and being able to, do the videos and the art, and showing everybody the view, and all of the things that you made. It was really a great way to keep all of us involved and feel like we're there. But then when we do get there, to just be able to, get to meet you guys, I really look forward to that.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for following us. You said the right words. So we try to involve you, to keep your connection alive and strong. This is our mission. This is our effort. So we try every day to give you something different, to show you the best of Sicily, because Sicily belongs to you, Tom, belongs to everyone who has Sicily in the art.
Belongs to all of us, definitely.
Ok, ringraziamo Tom. Tom, noi ti ringraziamo, tu diciamo in siciliano. We thank you so much. In Sicilian we cuore, ti diciamo grazie.
E ti aspettiamo a Sicilia, quando vieni, andiamo a mangiare un bello cannolo insieme. We will go together to have a cannolo.
Some cannoli all together.
Yes, it is.
A lot of people know Frank Zappa.
Yeah.
Nick Santore, also Gianni Mandala. I'm from Partinico.
Yeah.
Frank Zappa was from Partinico,
Yeah, as well.
So, what
Very
do we
cool.
do?
I don't know.
It's about 45 minutes.
Yeah.
We give our friends some clues of what we do in the next weeks.
No, this is a surprise.
This is
Gianca.
a surprise. Only I would like to remember the next appointment.
Yeah.
We will go to the westernmost point of Sicily. In a few days, we will explore the area from San Vito Lo Capo to the Zingaro Nature Reserve. It's one of the best areas in Sicily. So I know that there are a lot of people that have an origin in San Vito Lo Capo. It's a beautiful village, one of the most popular villages in Sicily. with one of the best, perhaps the best sandy beach in Sicily.
Yeah.
They are
Yes.
so famous for the couscous. They make a special dessert. We call it caldo freddo. It's a sort of ice cream, but completely, I guess it's so delicious, so tasty. And what else? We will go. Perhaps we will go kayaking if Rosella will help me.
No, I don't want to help you.
Will help me?
No, of course no. I'm a lady. I cannot. You are the man.
I am the man. I have to kayak for her, and she will enjoy the cruise.
Maybe we will record some videos because we are very sorry about our last live broadcast because the internet connection was not good, and so we lost the connection.
And we lost the opportunity to show you a beautiful small village such as Scopello. Scopello is very beautiful fishing village, so famous, so popular for the tuna fishing station, for the courtyard. They have a medieval courtyard, then they have a medieval tuna fishing station there. But we had no connection. We recorded a video, a live streaming there, but the quality was so bad. So that was a turn on our business because we decided to do it differently. Now we are at home, so we are using our internet connection. It's good, not so excellent, but it's good. But when we are outdoor, when we are all around Sicily, we don't want to repeat again this bad adventure. So we decided to have short live broadcast just to
a preview.
Just a preview to say, guys, we are in Ragusa or in Catania or in Syracuse, and then we will record the video with our professional camera. So then we will upload the video on YouTube because Facebook makes a bad compression. So the quality, the outcome is completely, I don't like
bad
it.
Quality, bad quality. See.
We will upload the outcome on YouTube. So you have an alert when we go live. For example, you will see that we are in Scopello again. We will do a short live broadcast, and the day after, usually in a couple of days, no more than a couple of days, you can enjoy the content on YouTube in a better quality. So
don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Tom, did you subscribe our YouTube channel?
You did it.
I have gone to the YouTube channel.
You did it, I know.
But you didn't subscribe our newsletter because I can see that you are not in our.
I will have to go to the newsletter.
But Rosella, the newsletter is for the fans who don't know when we are live, when we are making live streams. Tom is always with us.
You're right.
He's always ready to be with us. So he doesn't need to have an alert.
Thank you there.
Well done, because you are a very active fan. Thank you so much.
Always will be.
Thank
Absolutely.
You.
Thank you both. I appreciate it very much.
And now we want to close the live broadcast, sharing the
I want to say another thing. So we will go to San Vitolo Capo area in the next days, and then we will go again in the area of Ragusa and Syracuse. So the other side of Sicily. So we are in the west side. We will go to the east side of Sicily, showing you the best Baroque villages. We will meet Eleonora, the beautiful local guide. We had the opportunity to talk in the last weeks during the lockdown.
Yeah.
She's from Carlentini, but she lives in Modica.
Yeah.
So we will explore that area that's so beautiful. They have beautiful evidences of the ancient times. The Baroque buildings are wonderful, are outstanding, and they have excellent food. So we look forward to going there because
I need to book a diet, Gianca, because Ragusa is very famous for the cheese, for example.
And I love granita, guys. So I go there in particular to enjoy granita. So it's amazing. And we will make many footages. This time we want to give you the best quality, not bad connections, not something surprising. So something good.
Yeah, because a lot of areas in Sicily are untouched, and so the internet connection is no good.
Yeah, when you go out of the big cities, you have no opportunities to have a good internet connection. So it's a pity. It's better to record in advance the videos and then show you on YouTube what we made. I would like to show again the landscape, the view from my house, and
before, please, the last time.
No, you don't have to say the last time.
No.
For so far.
Sorry.
You never know. We don't say the last time.
No.
The last time is for the.
For the end? No, please.
I do say Walking Dead Man.
Okay, no.
So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you, Tom, for being with us. Great pleasure. We look forward to meeting you in person.
Yes,
definitely. You are very likewise.
Brilliant. I don't know you in person, but you are a good person.
Right. Your face
is the evidence of your heart.
And your smile. You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you.
And your smile alive. I don't know.
Definitely will.
Don't stop smiling.
Yes.
Yeah. I just made orange granita this morning.
Oh, that's a real one. Thank you, Tom. Thank you.
Ciao, Tom.
Ciao.
Thank you, guys. Ciao.
So, guys, it's all. We are about 54 minutes.
Yeah.
So just in time to show you our Gulf, the Gulf of Carini. In one of the next episodes, we will go to the Castle of Carini. It's a pity because we live very close to Carini.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful village, famous for the castle, famous for the legend of the Baroness of Carini.
Yeah.
And we never went there. We have never been there, so it's another opportunity. Can I, Rosella?
Yes.
So. To say bye-bye.
Love.
Ciao.
Hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Salutiamo agli amici in tutto il mondo.
Ciao.
Ciao ciao. We love you.